For clipping wings, basically I expand the wing out. They have those long flight feathers called primaries. And usually for most people, I just gotta trim anywhere from the first 5 to 7 primaries with regular scissors. You wanna watch out, make sure there's no blood feathers or new feathers coming in, because I don't wanna cut that because they can bleed quite a bit with those blood feathers. So yeah, you can see there's 2 blood feathers. So you can see here's their normal grown in feathers. They're clear, they're basically hollow. And these ones are full of blood because she's still trying to get those grown out. A blood feather is a new feather growing in, so when they molt, it's a feather that's, instead of being hollow or essentially kind of in that final stage where, like this bird here, it's basically black, blackish to bluish in color. It's usually really short until it grows out into that full feather, so it's basically full of blood. Okay. I don't see any blood feathers, so. Usually just the first like 5 to 7 primaries is all you need to cut to reduce their flight. And you want to make sure it's even on both sides so they're not basically off balance when they are trying to get around home. It's just like trimming your own hair. Looks like you get a little bit more. Okay, we'll trim this one. All right, here's one side. Don't hurt yourself. Let's see. It looks like your other side had a lot more trim, so I think I'll trim a few more than I normally would, just to make it even. Oh, you're all right. Oh, you're okay. All right, that should be pretty good. All right. Guess you want her back now? You usually want to try to work as quick as possible because they usually get pretty stressed. All right, you're all done.
Hi, if you're watching on YouTube, consider subscribing to the Great Companions YouTube channel for helpful and fun videos featuring our feathered friends. And check out our website at greatcompanions.com for bird-friendly toys, treats, and food.